Salam everyone. Today we are going to learn how to identify numbers of solution for given pair of linear equation. As per our last video, we had done two graphs. In one of the first example, we solved a sum to find the solution in which we got two lines intersecting each other, and this point or this coordinate is what solution for the given equation. इससे हमें क्या मिला था? As the two lines are intersecting at one point, so we know that it has only one solution. And then in another example which we solved, in that we got two parallel lines. In which both the lines at all they are not intersecting. If lines are not intersecting, or we can say if lines are parallel, it has no solution. So every time we are not going to draw graph and then we are going to identify. So there are few conditions. If we apply that condition, it is possible to find out the numbers of solution. Whether there is a unique solution, empty solution, or infinite solution. So only three conditions are there. Which one? It's unique solution means one solution. Empty solution means no solution. These conditions are what? Unique solution, then empty solution, and last infinite many solutions. Okay, so by if you just solve few condition, if you verify few condition, it is possible to identify which type of pair of linear equation is there. It is possible by using condition. So we are going to discuss that condition right now. Let's start with first condition, that is what? Unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution, where lines intersecting at only one point. Now how to identify with which condition, that we are going to discuss. Let's write down this equation in standard form, that is a1x b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second equation, a2x b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These are the two equations. Now here, these are the coefficient a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Now look at this condition. Whenever for any linear pair of equation, if I write a1 upon a2 which is not equals to b1 upon b2, कोई भी linear pair of equation में if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then I can see that it has got unique solution. I think you are not able to understand by this. Let's take a simple example of this. If I write x plus 2y equals to minus 5 equals to 0, and 3x plus 5y minus 13 equals to 0. Let's compare this equation 1 with this one and second equation with this one. If I compare it, if nothing is there, means what? Coefficient is 1. So I have to find out what? a1, b1 and c1. पहले मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? a1, b1 and c1. What is a1 here? It's 1. What is b1 here? It's 2. What is c1 here? It's minus 5. Similarly, let's compare this second equation with this second standard form of linear equation. So instead of a2 is what? a2, b2 and c2. a2 is what here? 3. b2 is what here? 5. c2 is what here? Minus 13. For the condition of unique solution, we just want this 4 values. ये 4 values हमें पता चल जाएगा कि it has unique solution or not by this condition. So what I am going to do? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So let's verify it. a1 upon a2. What is a1 here? It's 1. What is A2? It's what? 3. Let's find out B1 upon B2. What is B1 here? It's 2. What is B2 here? It's 5. So are they equal? Definitely I can say that 1 by 3 is not equals to 2 by 5. अगर ये दोनों चीजें A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 अगर दोनों अलग अलग होंगे, so they are not equal, and if they are not equal then definitely it is what? Unique solution always. So this condition you have to remember for unique solution. So whenever I am going to ask you, so what is the condition for unique solution, you should know this much: A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. If you know this much condition, तो इक्वेशन देख के ऑलमोस्ट तुम्हें ओरली पता चल जाएगा कि ये यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट कंडीशन, दैट इज empty solution. Empty solution means what? Lines are not intersecting. Lines क्या होंगे ग्राफ में? एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं करेंगे, पैरेलल चले जाएंगे, और इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होंगे तो उसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर एम्प्टी सॉल्यूशन? फर्स्ट वन, ऐड ऑन अगेन ऑल द a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इक्वल्स टू 0, a2x b2y plus c2 equals to 0. This two standard form will remain same. Now the main condition, as per the condition is what? a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. ये दोनों हमेशा सेम होंगे for any empty solution. But these two are not equals to what? c1 upon c2. ये दोनों इक्वल होंगे, but these two are not equals to what? c1 upon c2. अगर ये कंडीशन एप्लीकेबल होगा तो हम कह सकते हैं the given equation has no solution. Let's take one more example here. If I write 3x plus 4y minus 10 equals to 0, or 3x plus 4y minus 15 equals to 0. Now take out all the values of a1, b1, c1. What is a1 here? 3, b1 4, c1 minus 10. a2 is what? a2, b2 and c2. What is a2 here? It's 3. What is b2? It's 4. What is c2? It's minus 15. Now let's apply this condition. As per condition, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So we can verify this condition. Replace all the value. What is a1 upon a2? It's 3 upon 3. What is b1 upon b2? It's 4 upon 4. And last one, it's what? Minus 10 upon minus 15. Even if you reduce this, let's by mistake if you're going to reduce it, 5 2s are 5 3s are. So finally what I get? It's 3 4 by 4. These two are equal only. That is what? a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2. But this is not equals to what? This minus minus plus is not equals to 2 by 3. ये दोनों सेम है पर ये इक्वल नहीं है. So in empty solution we have to use c1 upon c2 also. But in the previous one, unique solution, from a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, it is possible to know whether it has unique solution or not. But for empty solution, these two ratios are equal, but this is not equal to what? c1 upon c2. And its graph is always what? Parallel to each other. इसके जो lines draw होंगे, ये दोनों equation के, वो हमेशा क्या मिलेंगे? Parallel. So this is the way we can solve any empty solution, or from the equation it is possible to know whether there is empty solution or not. Now the last one, that is infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. Now the condition for infinite many solution, again two equation, a1x b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x b2y c2 equals to 0. The condition which you have to remember, that is always for infinite many solution, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. This is the third condition for what? Infinitely many solution. Let's take any example of this one. X plus y equals to say 5, and another equation 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So this pair of linear equation is what? It has infinite many solution. How to prove it? Again we have to find a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Let me write down directly a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. What is a1 here? 1. Nothing is there means 1. b1 is what? 1. c1 is what? Now I wrote this 5 on that side. To convert into standard form, I have to take this 5 inside. मुझे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कन्वर्ट करने के लिए व्हाट हैव टू डू, ये जो 5 बाहर है RHS में, आई हैव टू टेक इट इन LHS. ये क्या हो जाएगा? -5. दिस इज व्हाट? a2 2, b2 2 एंड c2 इज व्हाट? -10. 10 को अंदर लेंगे तो माइनस. नाउ व्हाट? a1 अपॉन a2 इक्वल्स टू, let's take all the ratios directly. a1 upon a2 is what? 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 is what? 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2 is what? -5 upon -10. Therefore 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. Minus minus plus हो गया. So all these ratios are equal. तीनों ratios equal आ गए. a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. अगर तीनों ratios equal आ गए, so I can write here a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. ये तीनों ratio equal आया, so we can say that it has what? Infinite many solution. So by this way or this condition, we can find out which type of solution a linear pair of equation has by using 3 conditions. So this is the way we can find out without drawing graph. Last thing, let me repeat all the 3 formulas. Unique, empty, and the last one is what? Infinite. For unique, it's what? a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. For empty, it's a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. This is for empty solution. And the last one, infinite, it's a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. And for infinite solution, what about the graph? We know that for unique, graph will intersect 2 lines. For unique, 2 लाइन एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट होगा, सो इट हैज ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन, से एक्स एंड वाई. एम्प्टी में क्या होगा? लाइन पैरेलल होंगे, सो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू इंटरसेक्ट. देन व्हाट अबाउट इनफाइनाइट? दे आर व्हाट? कोइंसिडेंट. they are what? Coincident means what? Suppose this is the line for first equation, तो दूसरे इक्वेशन का भी यही लाइन होगा एग्जैक्टली. सो ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर लाइंग ऑन ईच अदर. तो दोनों इक्वेशन के जो लाइन्स है एक दूसरे को पूरी तरह ओवरलैप करेंगे. सो देयर इज अ कॉमन लाइन दैट इज व्हाट? इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशन. सो दिस इज द वे वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. Let's understand the same condition with the help of table in short. So first of all, condition is what? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. What is the number of solution here? This will be your unique solution. This is what? This condition is for unique solution. So unique means 1. So it has number of solution is what? 1. तो x और y का सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू पॉसिबल है. x का एक और y का एक, नॉट सेम. Consistent or not consistent? If solution is possible, it is always what? Consistent. जब भी solution possible होगा तो consistent आएगा. Example for this equation, we can take any example. Take x plus 2y equals to 5. 3x plus 5y equals to 13. बस इन दोनों की रेशियो सेम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just want to check the ratio. यहाँ पे 1 है तो 1/3, यहाँ पे 2, 5. So 2 and 5. Are they equal? Not. So this is what? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Type of graph. It's what? Intersecting. If I draw a graph for this one, a rough diagram, this will be somewhat like this. This point is what? X and y. Second condition is for A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. This is for what? Empty solution. Empty means no solution, means number of zeros. Sorry, number of solution is what? 0. Means x और y का कोई वैल्यू ही पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन ही है. So this is what? It's not consistent. This is not consistent. Example for this one, 3x plus 4y equals to 10, 3x plus 4y equals to 15. Now type of graph is what? Always parallel, and just a rough diagram for graph, it will be always parallel. ये जो lines होंगे, see these are the lines, these are what? Always parallel to each other. By seeing this parallel line, you can see that it has no solution. And the last one, all are equal means it has infinite many solution. So this is what? Number of solutions are what? Infinite. So solution infinite means बहुत सारे solution possible है. So solution possible है तो क्या आएगा हमेशा? It's consistent. It's consistent. Then for example of this one, we can write x plus y equals to 3, 3x plus 3y equals to 9. So this is the example for infinite, and the line coincident. Coincident lines. What does it mean? Coincident means दोनों इक्वेशन के लाइन्स जो होंगे वो सेम होंगे. They got the common line. यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग लाइन है, यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग लाइन है, पर इसमें क्या होगा? This line represent this equation and the same line represent another equation. So they are what? Coincident lines. Coincident lines means what? Same line. एक ही लाइन होगा दोनों इक्वेशन के लिए. So this table is very important to understand the number of solution for any given type of equation.